Good afternoon. This is Barry Chevy Parts, Walton Fabrication, Langdon's adapter plates. I'm putting in a adapter plate behind a 58 235. Where we got it all torn apart, we're starting to do assembly. You want to take and Loctite these 6 bolts. This is my recommendation. And then check the clearances here for your flex plate. We've already done that. And check the clearances. That's all nice and tight. And then because these bolts that go into the back of the crank is open to the back of the engine. So put some type of sealant on these threads here. Threadlock blue will be just fine. Do that only after you've finished clearancing between here and here. You want to check that for about 15 thousandths or so. And then once you're done doing that, you just install your transmission. If you got any questions, give me a call, 530-308-2533. Please like, follow, and subscribe. All right, we got the flex plate in. It's got clearances. We're ready to start on the transmission install.